requested by a friend of mine. Okay, so listen to this one. Get this, okay? They want me to do a grunting challenge, a noise grunting challenge while I fart. Okay? Well, I must say that I didn't eat beans, so but I am farting. I can't tell you the reason why I am farting, but I am type gassy. Let me just put it gassy. It sounds much more better, right? Much more like mature, all right? As everyone knows that I do not like doing these videos, but I try to do what I can to please my fans. That's why I love you guys so much. So I did say that if it's a video that you want me to do, make sure that you leave it down in the comments, guys, all right? If I can do it, I will do it. If I can't, I can't. So I'm gonna try to do this one. Like I said, okay, and while I'm grunting, all right? Before I go to work, I'm stuck with having to go to work again. The same thing was yesterday. So, okay, we're gonna try this. Excuse me. Give me a second. This thing. This shit hurt. It hurt. It hurt, guys. Oh my God. And I'm bony. I got bonier. I did have some weight on me. Now I work too much. Now I got bonier, but I'm getting that weight back. Okay. Let me see. Sorry, I know this is so ridiculous. It is, but guess what? I don't care because obviously people love it, right? So why would I care? I'm giving you what you want. And if you don't like it, then you have to wait until my next video, guys. So if you don't want to see this, you gotta wait for the next video because I'm trying to make every last one of my fans happy. Wait a minute, because I got a pretty good much of it out just now. So I have to wait and see if I could even do any more right now. Whew. Oh, give me a second. Okay, I feel it bubbling a little. Ooh, whew. I don't know what? That's why you don't eat beef. Because that stinks. Badly. Whew. Okay. Whew. Whew. I know you heard that. It's so disgusting. It's so nasty. That's what you want, right? You want nasty. You want downright stinky, right? Stinky. ain't gonna lie, but it's all good though. All right, look, I'm not gonna make this a habit because I really don't like doing it. But like I said, it's for you guys. So, might as well have some fun with it. Stink! It stinks! That's it! Oh my God! You gotta stop fighting! Gotta stop fighting this cell. I'm tired of fighting, okay? It's not my thing to do! Stop making me do it! I don't like it! Oh my God! I don't like it! I'm gonna try to do whatever it is. Do this freaking fart. Make it come down. Make it ring. 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 Make it ring. 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 This is a workout in itself. Okay, all right, outside. I gotta let these ones up. I got to. Woo! Get some air. Woo! Well, how you do it? How you do that thing? That old dance? Clear it out. Clear it out. I make it. I make it. I clear it. I clear it. Don't laugh at me, you two. All right? I know I do not know the moves. I know I cannot dance. Do not laugh at me. I'm not playing with you. I'm not. So don't laugh. A clear it out. A clear it. A clear it. A clear it. A clear it. I used to know how to do it. I forgot. Don't laugh. What was it? Chicken noodle soup? Yeah, that's how it went. But I forgot how the dance went. It went chicken noodles, chicken noodles, chicken noodles, chicken noodle soup. Yeah! You didn't quite ever see me like this now, did you? Huh? Because you know what? Because now I'm so comfortable with you two. They ain't even funny. Now I know that made you happy today. Alright? I can't win, so I might as well freaking join you guys. We're gonna join into the fun party! Music, please! Music, please! Hey! Hey! Two-step. Slide. Slide. Come on there. Come on. Come on there. Come on there. Shucks. Ow. Come on now. Y'all don't know about my granny? I gotta show you the granny. It's something her. Let me show you the granny now. All right. The granny. The granny. The granny. All right, you two, look. I'm tired, all right? I'm going to stop being foolish because that's foolishness. But anyway, I'm mad tired. Now I got to go take another shower. I had fun with you guys, but for real, I got to go to work. So because I worked so hard for you guys to give you that video and add a little extra to it, I need you to slam that subscribe button. Like this video. Let this video get to like button. You know to do that anyway. Share this video with everyone that you know. Peace, YouTube.